在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to Practical Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. Again, this month we're teaching you a phrase that might come in handy a lot of times, and it's called no worries or no problem. 安心，
安心，
安心。你开车嘛，对不对 ，Alice？
是啊。
你是迷路型的吗？
不是啊，
真的吗？
因为我可以先查地图。
All right, a lot of people get lost in like new streets and towns and cities, right? But nowadays it's a lot easier because you can pull out your cell phone and there's a map right there that you can use. But back in the days, some people might get lost. And let's put you in that situation. And nowadays, because you have the cell phone, no worries. Look it up and you'll be all right. Okay? 我们好像迷路了. I think we are lost.
沿洞枪冲走了，
沿洞枪冲走了 ，OK， 冲走就是迷路了。
迷路了
哦，冲走 that means to be lost，OK， 好像洞枪，对不对？It looks like we are lost。
冲走了，谁叫你冲那么快就跑掉
真的，冲太多就冲掉了。
对啊，就冲走了，就迷路了。
说得好，好了，安心啦，其实拿手机出来查地图就好了。No worries, pull out your cell phone and let's look at the map。
安心啦。
安心啦，
拿手機嘅出來，
拿手機嘅出來，
查地圖，
查地圖，
就好咧，
就好咧，哦，
安心啦，拿手機嘅出來，查地圖就好咧。
哎呀，這我可以 break down 啦。拿手機嘅 that means to take out your cell phone， 出來 that means out， and then of course 查地圖就是查地圖，地圖 that means the map， 查 means to look up，right？Take your cell phone out and let's look it up。然后结果发现没讯号，那怎么办？
怎么办？就哭啊！
继续迷路了。好了，没有这么惨的状况，我们就是真的还是可以查了啊，就说好主意嘛。
好主意。
That's a good idea. 好主意。Okay, that means good idea. Let's review some of these phrases then. Okay, 我们来 read 几个单字喽，包括迷路 get lost，
冲走了，
冲走了 Okay, and then the map 地图，
地圖，
地图。And then, good idea, 好主意，
好主意，
好主意，然后还有 thumbs up 这样子 ，OK？
赞，
赞。And it's all about the phrase we're teaching you this month, and that is no worries, no problem, 安心，
安心，
安心。有手机真的好安心哦。
对，但是事先做好就好了。
是啦，应该要先查好了啊。And that is today's Practical Hakka。
什么大家？
俺是谁张来了？
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.